멋지네 아저씨. 세 분 친구세요?
네, 같은 친구.
세 분 사진 찍어드려도 돼요? 예쁘다. I went out to Sungut Beach near Gangneung, South Korea. There are so many small beaches around this area. So today's vid is going to be a short POV video using Fuji T5 with f/16 to 80mm lens. Photos are all edited based on classic chrome film simulation. 해녀인가? 스노클링 하는구나. 재밌겠다. 잘 부르시네요. 잘 부르시네요. 네. I went to this beach last month, which is April, to take a music video of my vocal teacher. We had some spare time after taking all the videos. Well, I'm an amateur on both photography and video making, but if you're curious about the music video, I will leave the link below in detail. This family looked literally so happy that I wanted to capture this moment. 되게 예쁘신데 번호 좀 주실 수 있어요?
죄송해요, 제 핸드폰이 없어가지고.
아, 예.
죄송해요. 삐삐 써요.
예, 알겠어요. 삐삐 쓰시는구나. 멋지네, 아저씨. The East Ocean of South Korea seems like Jeju Island, which is so colorful and beautiful compared to West Ocean of South Korea. 와, 제주도 같다. I thought the yellow color of the mango juice gives a good color comparison with the blue ocean. 맛있다. There was a diving boat coming in. 강아지 너무 귀엽다. 한번 만지고 싶어. She was holding this little cute puppy and the guy was trying to take a photo of the puppy. I saw these three grannies walking together with bare feet. Two of the grannies left one granny and I thought it was really cute. 귀여우시다. I don't know what they are trying to grab or something, but they kept on reaching towards something. 세 분 친구세요?
네?
친구세요?
네, 같은 친구.
세 분 사진 찍어드려도 돼요? I asked them if I could take photos of them. 네, 제 카메라로 찍어서 하나, 둘, 셋, 김치! 잠시만 앉아서 쉬고 계세요.
혼자 놀러 왔어요?
아, 아니요? 친구랑요. 친구랑 따로.
전문으로 찍는.
아, 취미로. 네. 얼마나 되셨어요? 친구인지 얼마나?
아, 16년.
저 그럼 연세가 한
50분이 많아.
70?
80 넘었다.
가고 있나? 받으셨어요? 네. 행복하게 여행하세요. Couldn't believe they were in their 80s, but anyway, I was really pleased that I could give them the photo for them as a good memory. It was almost time for me to leave, so this was the last photo I took here with my POV video. And if you have any questions about the video, please leave in the comment. Thanks for watching.